Hello all, this is an update to the introduction to Adinkra alphabet. My name is Charles Crunchy. This is the cover of the fourth edition of Adinkra alphabet, Adinkra Moses alphabet, and their hidden meanings. The books are available on our website, adinkra.xyz/shop. It's also available on Amazon and on Etsy. This is a character map of the Adinkra alphabet. So there are 42 characters in all. And it covers for the languages of the Ghanaian language of Akan, Ewegan, and Degban. And also Akan is also used in Ivory Coast or Cote d'Ivoire. This is the Ghana Adinkra alphabet. So we have 42 glyphs, 45 total characters, 10 vowels, and 32 consonants. C is a vowel marker, X is an array marker, and there's a number marker, character. Then for the pronunciations, again you have the 10 vowels and then the 2 consonants. The basic consonants and then the double consonants or special consonants. So this is a map showing the Adinkra symbols and the Adinkra alphabet. So you have the Adinkra alphabet and the symbol from which the alphabet was derived, and then you have the basic Adinkra alphabet, the simplified Adinkra alphabet, or the standard and Adinkra alphabet, simple alphabet, and then also the final glyph. So these are the 10 vowels of the Adinkra alphabet. We have A, E, I, O, U, E, U. And then these are the consonants. We have B, Ch, D, Da, D, F, Fi, Ge, Be, Ga, He, Ke, Wi, Il, Que, Nye, On, Pe, Se, Sh, Te, Ti, Vi, Ve, We, Ye, Se, Zi. In the Akan language, there are 210 vowels and consonant combinations. So we have Be, De, Fe, Ge, Hi, Je, Ke, and then Il, Que, Se, Te, We, Ye. And then you have also the double consonants. So this is Je, She, Che, Nye, and Yue, and then Tre, Twe. So all these in combination, so you have a total of 210. So going over the vowels, so we have a word that has the vowel in, and then how it sounds. So when you have the character A with the C, so that shortens it, so you get A. So this is as in the word Adinkra, and Adinkra is the name of the alphabet and also the symbols. And then A is Akwaba, as in welcome. A as in AC. So the A here and the A are different, and our videos on Akan vowel harmony or Adinkra vowel harmony sounds that you can read to understand the difference between them. They may sound the same until you have a word that has both in there, and then you realize they are completely different. So but there are times that you see that they are used interchangeably, especially when it comes to names. Sometimes you have a C spell with the E, and then also sometimes with the A. So E as in me or me, Akwesi. And Akwesi, so name of a male. and then here you have the A and then the E sound. Onipa, as in O Onipa, that's a person. Adwa is the name of a dance in Akan, Adwa. So here you have the U sound. Kotoko, the O sound, and Ejuma, A, and then the DW is represented by the J character, Joe in Akan. And then Akom means I'm hungry. So Bua means to help in Akan. Denchem, crocodile. Dada is a title for a father, and Dada is like old. In English, you actually will be write both the same, but Dada, there's a short D, so you can use the short D sound. Ediban means food, or Ediane, which is spelled differently. So depending on which region of Ghana you're coming from, you may say Ediban or Ediane. Fofro means new. Fi is something that is dirty. So you have the short F sound. Gumu or loosen. Gumu. Ghana, you can spell with just GHA. In Adinkra, you can use the short G sound. Ghana. Ha, here. Ko, go. Pando is a town in the Ewe region. Pando, you see a lot of the pa sound in Ewe. Lorry is a borrowed word, means lorry, as in a car. Ma is to give. Nan is let. Nyame is God. Quentin Pong Highway, so you have the Pong sound. Pam is to stitch. Bra, come. San, return. She is to burn. Tam is a cloth. Fanti is the Fanti language. In English, spelled with just the TE, so Fanti, but the correct sound is Fanti. Jama is it's a type of music in Ghana. It's a moral boosting music. Befi is also a town in the Ewe region. Kwame is the name of a male. Victoria. Victoria is an English word, so you spell it just by transliterating the characters. Eve, so that's the correct. The B sound is actually V, the short V, or Eve. Wo, as in you. Yaba is a Thursday female name. Z is a Z as, and then Jama again. Depending on which region of Ghana you come, you may spell it with Gyama, which is the Gy is the Ja sound, or also sounds for the Sh sound in the Bani. So, so you may spell it Jama with Jama or Gyama. So I hope you find this helpful. Medasi, or thank you. Please visit our website, adinkra.syz/shop, or adinkraalphabet.com and akandictionary.com. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to hit the notification button. Thank you once again.